The Garmin Instinct series has become synonymous with rugged performance, making it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and adventurers. With the highly anticipated release of the Garmin Instinct 3, excitement is building for what could be the most innovative and robust outdoor smartwatch yet. From enhanced durability to cutting edge health metrics, this next iteration is poised to set a new standard in the world of smartwatches. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the expected features of the Garmin Instinct 3, how it improves on previous models, and why it's destined to be a game changer in 2024. The Garmin Instinct series has always been revered for its military-grade durability. It has proven time and again that it can withstand the harshest environments, from rugged mountains to deep waters. With the Instinct 3, Garmin is expected to take this to an entirely new level. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Instinct 3 is its upgraded water resistance. The previous models in the Instinct line have already proven themselves capable of handling underwater activities, but the Instinct 3 is expected to dive deeper. Garmin has consistently been at the forefront of navigation technology, and the Instinct 3 promises to raise the bar even further. The introduction of multi-band GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System, is one of the most anticipated features of the watch. This advanced technology allows the Instinct 3 to access multiple satellite frequencies, ensuring more accurate and reliable positioning in remote areas. A hallmark of the Garmin Instinct series has been its long-lasting battery life, and the Instinct 3 is expected to push this even further. Reports suggest that the Instinct 3 will feature solar charging capabilities, extending the battery life during prolonged outdoor use. Garmin has been a leader in health and fitness technology, and the Instinct 3 will build on that legacy. The watch is expected to feature improved heart rate monitoring, offering more precise data for both high-intensity workouts and daily activities. It will also likely include blood oxygen, SpO2 monitoring, which tracks oxygen saturation levels, an essential feature for those exercising at high altitudes or in challenging environments. Instinct 3 is rumored to come with enhanced sleep monitoring. With more refined sensors and algorithms, the watch will track sleep stages, including deep, light, and REM sleep. It could also offer recovery insights, helping users understand how well their body is recuperating after strenuous activity. When it comes to design, the Garmin Instinct series has always embraced a rugged, utilitarian aesthetic. The Instinct 3 will likely continue this trend, but with a few modern updates. While maintaining the classic rugged look, it's rumored that the Instinct 3 will come in a variety of color options and with a slightly slimmer profile. Stay tuned for more deep dives and reviews.